Okay, welcome friends. Today we're going to study about how to create a Gmail account that you can use to communicate with other people, or even to create different accounts that require you to have a Gmail account or any email. Therefore, we are going to start from scratch, and the browser I'm using it is Google Chrome. You might be using Mozilla Firefox or other browsers. But just as simple, the steps are just the same, and therefore you are going to have opened to a new tab that is fresh, and then you can use this here, this location, and find Gmail, or you can create an account. Simple. You may use Google and search Gmail account. It's simple like this one. Create Gmail account, and come here, create Gmail account. Simple. You select this word, and it's going to take you to use another account. If you have already signed in different account, maybe you're using somebody's computer that has several emails, the locations you have to go and find it's here. Use another account. Don't use these other emails that are in the certain browser. Therefore, use another account, and you find their email or phone number. But here we are going to select create account to manage my business or for myself. Therefore, choose maybe for yourself. Okay. The other step that you are going to follow is to create your Google account to continue to Gmail. Therefore, you need to create an account. Here we are going to fill the first name, the last name, the username that you need to use, the password, and confirm the password. Okay, let us go. The first name we can just propose. The name is John. That's maybe new. Maybe you can use maybe John. Let me use the simple name John, and John George. That is the first name. This their last name. But according to rules, the name should start with capital letter, and this one George. Okay, our username, this is just to propose it, but we need to find ourselves. Okay, maybe like I want John at Gmail. John at Gmail. Let us see if it is going to be acceptable. John at Gmail. Just no need. Maybe it is just required. John at Gmail, and therefore we go to password. Just like the password here. Okay. The password should consist of numbers, letters, but Google has no more complication. Okay, like this one, I just confirm the password. You can write your own password and find. Okay, next. Let's see. Sorry, username must be between 6 or I use this that you can see the differences. Low to do. Maybe it's John. That's characters are very short for the username. Therefore, you can use John 0919. Simple. That's you need to use the number that is easy to remember. And John G. That's like John G at Gmail. John G19 at 2019 at gmail.com. Easy. Username is taken. Try another. Available Okay, no, we don't need this one. John G. What the month of this one is? July 7. That's easy. John G 7, region 72019. And try it. It's going to work. No, has been taken. We don't need this one. Hey. Okay, let's find another. Maybe that's the John George. John George. What about this one? Suggesting this one, but I don't need this one. Okay. John G 1 2 3 4 5. John George 1 2 3 5. There's somebody. Is taken. 6 taken. John, my Gmail. John Geo 219. Okay, let's study this one. Okay, it is suggested that is this one, John Geo 51. Okay, for me, you can select this one because every day there are a lot of people that are creating Gmail accounts. Therefore, as time goes on, it's just difficult now to invent the new name, though it is possible if you're not using this those normal names that people are using, some John and George, just normal name. But if it's just a company or other name that's maybe names that are not used normally, but we can select this one, John Geo 51. Just as simple like this one. Okay, and as we go on, we are going to use this email to create something else, the following video, or we can use other videos. Okay, like as you finished John Geo 51 at gmail.com, we have a password, we have this one, then you're going to the next step like this one. Okay, so you have to select the number. Before, there is a prompt here that you can save the password. If it is your computer and the browser that you are using, it is personal, therefore it is easy and it is possible to do this one, because sometimes you can forget the username or email and password, but easy way to save it. Let me show you. If you save it, where can you find it? I save it here. When I want to find it, I have to go here and find password here, or I can use this space passwords. If you click here as password, you're going to see them here. All passwords are saved here, this space. Therefore, you can find it here and find this one. It has not been saved now because syncing is off. Okay, just difficult to find it. Okay, it is here now. It is on. It is here. So to save it, you just use it for. By the time maybe you may forget it and you want to use it, you see it is easy. Okay, it has gone, and then you have to fill up the phone number. Okay, maybe it's try phone number. It's necessary. It takes me the digits verification code. By the way, yes, I need to use the 769 65. Okay, I want to use this number. 35 566 604. Don't call this number because it is not available for the call. Okay, I send this one. Okay, they've sent me this verification ahead. It is here. Okay, this verification, how do I find it? I have to go to my tab I'm using to find this info. Okay, this is 1825 68. 1825 68. This is what is a verification code. 1825 68. Am I right? Okay, yes, 1825 68. That we need to verify. But if you want the call, you can put those numbers and then they call you and just mention the code. Just verify that you're human. And okay, they're going to verify. Okay, this one, recover email. This is the option of recover email. It's just an option, and that you can use in case that you forget your password. You can use this one or any other thing that's needed. Maybe there's somebody who intruded to your email. You'll be informed through this recover email that the person who was signed in using your email address. Therefore, just use for just option. You can use it or not. This one is you fill up the date, maybe the day, maybe 24, maybe 1995. This is just to keep your account secure. And gender, rather not say. Okay, why we ask information? This one we don't need this, but I hope you remember. Don't forget this email that we are going to use it in creating YouTube channel and creating blog and other. We're going to just use this one because we have started it together. Therefore, it's better to end us join together in creating every product that is concerned with Google, which requires you to have a Gmail account. Okay, let us go to the next step, like this one. Okay. Yes, get more from your number. If you like, you can add your phone number to your account for cross video service. For example, your number will be used to receive video calls, messages, make service including hacks, more relevant to you, more detailed option. This one. Okay, yes, I'm in. Okay, this one a lot leads this. I agree. These are rules, privacy and terms. Okay, I agree. Let us go. If you have time, you can leave this, but most of us will not leave them. It's just loading. Hey, wait. Okay, it's just been opened up. Yes, this account is getting it. Okay. Just advertisement, welcome, comfortable, default, choose view just normal, as you have seen, just normal, but we need to find which is comfortable to us. Comfortable. Okay, then I'll choose email, choose the theme. Most of us will just use a Gmail account look like this one, but you can choose another theme that you need to use, like this one, dress your inbox at southern background, like this one. We choose the theme that is good. Which one? We need to find which one will be the best. Maybe I like nature, therefore can choose this one or this one. Okay, this is it. This should be our scene that the email that you are using, it may be attracted to you. Okay, profile image like this one. You see, it looks attractive. This one. Okay, this were just the email that was sent to to inform us about their email account. Okay, and that our email is completed, that we can use it. The next video I will show you how to use Gmail account, how to use it, about sending the messages, about drafting, and other ways, other tricks in using and features, almost all features that I found in Gmail account. If you have an email, you have to utilize it, because I've been given 15 GB free. This one, 15 GB free as storage, that you can store all things. This one, even when you import contacts, email. We are going to learn all this, particularly with how to. Therefore, to this channel, we're going to learn a lot of stuff, a lot of things about computer and other things. Therefore, it is better to subscribe, that you can learn a lot. But here you can sign out or add accounts. That's easy, and all this we are going to learn them from other videos. Thank you, and let us watch, subscribe, and share the videos. And if you have any question, write there on the comment section, and suggestion or other, whatever you have, I'll be able to answer and communicate to you there. Welcome.